Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can invite member of leagues in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So the FC Mobile user, you can invite them. I made this video is for beginner that new into this game, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it become EA Sport FC Mobile 24 in all console. There are no more FIFA. And with EA Sport FC Mobile there are some new feature. And let's get started by tapping the leagues button. So if you create your own league, this will be your starting page, and you can invite a member of leagues, maybe your friends, just tapping the setting icon at the top of your screen. And this one, the fourth option, invite member. Search all FC Mobile for user to invite. Just tap this one and you can search by name. If you have the ID or the name of the player, you can invite here so they can join your league. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click next button below. Enjoy the game.